Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Hi, my name is Razalika binti Muhammad Saili. I am taking Bachelor of Early Childhood Education in Open University Malaysia, Kota Kinabalu. My student ID number is 9404191263320001. This is my assignment for the subject OUMH1303 English for Oral Communication. The topic of my presentation is plastic pollution. Before I go through to the topic, let me explain about nature. What is nature? Nature is the world around us. We all human beings depends on the nature every time and for everything. Many people admire the beauty and even they write many novels and poems on it. This is because the beauty of nature cannot be expressed in one single word. It provides the humans, animals, and the living beings on the earth place to live with the joy of the natural resource. Our life as human beings started on this planet Earth, and since then we are exhausting its resource. But in return, we are exposing it to external threat of destruction and mistreatment. Due to this, beautiful forests have been destroyed, rivers have been polluted, and vast open lands have been consumed for buildings and factories. We are giving challenges to the nature by doing activities as hunting down animals, cutting down the trees, releasing poisonous gases, and polluting rivers. Talk about the plastic pollution. The reason why I choose this topic because plastic pollution has become one of the most environmental issues as rapidly increasing production of disposable plastic products overwhelms the world's ability to deal with them. The plastic pollution has been the most visible in developing Asian and African nations where our garbage collection systems are often inefficient and non-existent. But the developed world, especially in countries with the low recycling rates, also has trouble properly collecting discarded plastic. The plastic trash has become so ubiquitous it has prompted effort to write a global treaty negotiated by the United Nations. Plastic made from fossil fuel are just over a century old. Production and development of thousands new plastic products occurred after World War II. So, transforming the modern age that life without plastic will be unrecognizable today. Plastic revolution medicine with life-saving devices made space travel possible, lightened cars and jets, saving fuel and pollution and saved lives with helmets, incubators, and equipment for the cleaning water. First of all, plastic pollution occurs when plastic has gathered in an area and has to begin negatively impact to the natural environment and create problems for the plants, wildlife, and even the human population. Often this includes killing plant life and posing dangers to local animals. Plastic is an incredible useful material, but it is also made from toxic compounds known to cause illness, and since it is meant for durability and it is not biodegradable. While solving the problem of plastic pollution may seem as an easy just implementing recycling or cleaning up empty bottle, the truth is that the plastic causing the pollution can be ranged in size from big to microscopic. The major contributors to this problem today is plain old trash. Plastic is everywhere. even on those items you may not expect it to be. Milk cartons are lined with the plastic. Water bottles are handed out everywhere, and some products may even contain tiny plastic bits. Every time one of these items gets thrown away or washed down a sink, the toxic pollution have more of a chance to enter environment and do harm. Trash dumps and landfills are unfortunate major problems as they allow pollution to enter the ground and affect wildlife and groundwater for the years to come. Thus, it is overused. As plastic is less expensive, it is one of the most widely available and overused items in the world today. Rapid urbanization and population growth increase the demand of cheap plastic since it is an affordable and durable material. It is utilized in every other possible, from packaging materials to plastic bottles, containers, straw, and carry bags. And also because they are so cheap, we are disposable mentality. We don't value them to hang on to individual items. When disposed of, it does not decompose easily and pollution the land or air nearby when burned in the open air. What can we do as a human? Reduce the plastic pollution is everyone needs to take the action so that we can make difference starting today. First of all, we need to reduce of any single-use plastic. Wherever do you live, the easiest and most direct way that you can get started is by reducing your own use of single-use plastic, included plastic bags, water bottles, straws, cups, and so on. Secondly, recycle it properly. This should go without saying, but you use single plastic and other plastic that can be recycled. Always be sure to recycle them. At present, just 99% of plastic be recycled worldwide. Recycling helps keep plastic out of the ocean and reduce the amount of new plastic in circulation. Last but not least, support bans which many municipalities around the world have incurred bans on the single-use plastic bag, take-out containers, and bottles. What can you do is support the adoption of such policies in your community. To summarize, the plastic pollution brings no good but bad to our environment. Over 3 million tons of plastic are produced every year for use in a wide variety of applications. At least 8 tons of plastic end up in our ocean every year, and make up 8% of all marine debris from surface waters to deep sea sediment. Marine species engage in which causes serve injuries and death. Plastic pollution threats food safety and quality, human health, coastal tourism, and contribute to climate change. There is an urgent need to explore the use of existing legally binding international agreement to address marine plastic pollution, recycling and reuse of plastic products, and support for research and innovation to develop new products to replace single-use plastic are also necessary to prevent and reduce plastic pollution. I hope we can apply method in our daily activities, say no plastic, to keep our nature beautiful and clean environment. That's all for today. Thank you.